In this video, I'm going to show you how to skip trace leads on Propstream using your account. The process is pretty straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along. First, log in to your Propstream account. Before you can skip trace, you need to have a list of properties. To do that, go ahead and choose your target area, apply any filters you want, and then select the properties that fit your criteria. Once you've built your list, you'll want to add it to a marketing list by clicking Add to List. You can either choose an existing list or create a new one. For this example, I'll just create a new list and give it a name, then hit Save. Now that the list is created, let's move over to it. On the left-hand side of your Propstream dashboard, you'll see the Properties tab with your saved marketing lists. Click on it, scroll down, and find the list you just created. Once you've confirmed that your list is there, you're ready to begin the skip tracing process. To do this, click on the Skip Trace icon, which looks like a magnifying glass on the left-hand menu. This is where Propstream lets you run your skip traces. At the time of recording this, skip tracing costs 12 cents per lead, and the charges go to the card you have on file. Here, you'll want to select your contacts. Use the drop-down at the top to choose the list you just built. Once it loads, you can either select all the leads in that list or uncheck the ones you don't want. After that, click Add Selected Contacts. You'll now see them appear on the screen. Go ahead and check the box to select all, then click Done. Now the system shows how many contacts are ready to be skip traced, and you can click Next to continue. A confirmation window will pop up showing the cost and the payment method that will be billed. If everything looks good, just hit Place Order. Right after that, you'll be asked to accept the Do Not Call certification, which simply reminds you that the numbers provided need to be checked against the National Do Not Call list. Once you accept that, Propstream will start processing your skip trace. It usually only takes a few minutes, and you'll also get an email once it's complete. To view your results, head back to the Contacts tab on the left, scroll down to Skip Tracing, and open the list you just ran. You'll now see the phone numbers and emails that were pulled for those leads. Propstream often provides multiple numbers and emails per property, and they'll also flag if any of those numbers are on the Do Not Call list. From here, you can export the data by selecting the names, clicking Actions, and then Export. That way you can use the numbers for calls or the emails for campaigns. And that's it. Your skip trace is complete. So, if you've been wondering how to skip trace leads on Propstream, this is the fastest and easiest way to do it. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.